What is a procedure and why does it consider it to be important? Maybe too important if you ask me. Sometimes management seems to think if they just give the employee a procedure, the work gets done without any problems. But if it were that simple, we all would have successful companies by now. I'm Danielle, and my goal is to help anyone who is not familiar with the quality field to learn about quality methods to get ahead at work. So, what a procedure is? A procedure is just a documented process. That's it. It's just a documentation of the process. A procedure does not have the power to fix the process or to make the employees to work in a certain way. So why does management still insist on procedures? Perhaps because they think that this is a quick fix for a bad process. Which brings me to the question, what a process is. I have a separate video on that which worth watching because you might find that the process is not exactly what you thought. Many people think they know what a process is and how to define one. How complicated can it be? It's just a list of instructions, right? But judging by the number of bad processes I've seen in my 15 years of career as a quality consultant, it seems that many people do not really understand what a process is. Defining a bad process, it's easy. Anyone could do that. But defining a good process, this is for professionals. Anyone who wants to learn how to write procedures, professional procedures, must understand first what a process is and how to define a good one. After all, you're surrounded by processes your entire life. Choosing which profession to study, it's a process. Being in a bad financial situation is just a result of a bad process. Making a cup of tea is a process. So isn't it time to understand what a process really is instead of settling on mediocre ones, while you could improve the processes of your life and in your company? Check out the Process Secrets online mini course at easyiso.com courses page.